Before committing to Basecamp, here are 12 things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for you. Whether you're comparing it to other productivity tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com, or simply looking to see if it suits your style, this video will break down the key features and limitations. First, Basecamp is known for its simplicity. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't overwhelm you with options or complex dashboards. If you're someone who values a clean, straightforward interface over bells and whistles, Basecamp might be your best option. Next thing, Basecamp offers unlimited users. Many competitors, like Asana or Trello, charge you based on how many people are on your team, but Basecamp's flat rate lets you add as many members as you need without breaking the bank. This can be a big advantage for growing teams. The third thing to consider is how Basecamp handles communication. It combines messaging, to-dos, and file sharing in one place, reducing the need for multiple apps like Slack or email. While this makes it easier to collaborate, some people may find its chat functionality too basic compared to more specialized tools. Next, it offers a strong set of collaboration tools. You get message boards, to-do lists, shared files, and automatic check-ins. But unlike tools like Monday.com, you won't find advanced reporting or custom workflows here. If you need granular project tracking, Basecamp might feel limiting. The fifth thing you should know is Basecamp's mobile app. It's fully functional, but the interface can be a little clunky, especially if you're used to the sleek design of apps like Asana or Trello. It does the job, but expect fewer features and a less polished experience compared to other tools. Next thing, Basecamp integrates with a lot of third-party apps like Google Drive, Zapier, and more. However, it's not as extensive as what you get with competitors like Asana or Monday, which offer native integrations with more tools out of the box. If you rely on specialized software, you may run into limitations. The seventh thing to note is Basecamp's pricing model. It's one flat rate, which can be great if you have a large team, but can feel a bit expensive if you're a small business with just a few users. Some other tools offer free tiers with limited features or lower pricing for smaller teams. Next, Basecamp lacks time tracking features. If you're someone who needs detailed time logging, you'll have to rely on third-party integrations. Other tools like Harvest or Monday.com include time tracking as part of their core offering. The ninth thing is Basecamp's task management system. It's simple and easy to use, but it's not as advanced as what you get in Asana or ClickUp. If you want custom fields or timelines, you might find Basecamp a bit too basic. The 10th thing you need to know is Basecamp's customer support. It's generally well rated, with email support available and a comprehensive help center. But compared to competitors like Monday.com or Trello, Basecamp doesn't offer live chat, which can be a drawback if you need immediate assistance. Next, Basecamp doesn't have advanced reporting. You get some basic project overviews, but if you're a manager who needs deep insights into project performance or resource allocation, you may want to look at something like Asana, which has much stronger reporting features. The 12th thing to remember is Basecamp's focus on simplicity. It's an all-in-one platform for people who want to get things done without distractions. If you like having everything in one place and don't need too many extra features, Basecamp might be perfect. But if you're after a more customizable or advanced tool, something like Monday.com or ClickUp may be better. In conclusion, Basecamp is a solid option if you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills tool for team communication and project management. But if you're seeking more customization, advanced reporting, or a more modern user interface, you may want to check out our recommended solution, which offers a better fit for those needs and a free trial to test it out.